Stanley Cup is amazing.
It really
Stanley
is.
mixer.
It's amazing, all right.
Not like, you know, the Stanley Cup that you win. Is it golf?
Not the hockey. No, it's not golf.
Okay.
Yeah,
well,
no.
edit that out. Is it
No,
golf?
I'm gonna leave that
it's
in.
Not the
You mean the part where you asked if it was golf?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you want me to edit that out, huh?
I do.
Because I thought that was funny as fuck.
I don't.
If everyone else will.
Not like the Stanley Cup, you know, whatever sport that is.
Hockey.
We're going to use it today. We're going to make our very first 2025 Spontooneous drink. Finally warm on a lake. We have a great day.
Yeah. We finally have an 80-degree day. Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum.
That's
Pineapple rum.
pineapple.
Did you know, honey, that back in the 1700s, pirates...
You know I'm going to say it.
Yeah, I know.
Honey, I don't want you to be...
It's all right. It's all right. It's like you stop, like you don't even, you're just going to look and make sure I'm right. You like turn away from the camera and you go, oh, you know, that's not rum.
All right. Just like it's not hockey. It's not golf, remember?
Yeah.
You're going to leave that in there
Yeah,
too?
we're going to leave this whole thing, we're going to leave the whole video in there. I think people need to start understanding what we go through.
It should be in there. This is going to be our new,
Yeah.
this is our new YouTube video. You're just going to see it all. This is an unedited version. You get to see it all.
You're going to see her piss me off and you're going to see me piss her off. Did you know this is not rum? This is pineapple vodka. But did you know that back in the day, sailors and pirates used to infuse their rum with fruits, especially pineapple?
No.
They
really?
did it, yeah, they did it to make it taste better. It was the 1700s that they did it. We're going to add 2 ounces for each of us into this one.
And how much of our Cointreau are we going to put in
Cointreau,
there?
wow, we're going to add 1 ounce each. We're making a pineapple orange cocktail on the boat today. Orange pineapple used to be my favorite flavor of ice cream. Good, good.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Can I do a plus plus?
Do a plus plus with this.
Plus.
Do you have that child in the house that when you say don't do that, just does it anyway? All right, we're gonna do some lemonade
To top it off.
and Stanley shake it, baby.
Shake it up, baby. Now shake it up, baby.
We also have our paddle stir sticks.
Whoop. I'm going to fill my cup up. Oh, lucky you.
Yeah.
Maybe since I plus it. Plus.
Very nice. Tuners, the orange pineapple cocktail. Welcome to summer, right? 80-degree day.
Welcome to summer.
Cool. Oh my God.
Wow, that is yummy. Same.
This time we're actually using pineapple rum.
Rum. Tell me about the rum.
Pineapple rum, we're gonna get 2 ounces each of this. Ounce apiece.
Strawberry. Ha! That looks yummy. Some strawberry pucker sweet and sour schnapps.
Ounce apiece, baby.
Sweet and sour schnapps. Pucker. I don't understand.
Sweet and
Pucker.
sour schnapps. It's just
It
strawberry
says-
pucker.
Read.
It's strawberry pucker. You don't have to read the whole label. They don't need the whole label.
You might.
When somebody says go to the store and get some strawberry pucker, they don't go say go to the store and get some strawberry pucker sweet and sour.
Oh my God, are we getting ready to see him?
It's a hawk.
Get it. He's going fishing right beside of us. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
He is. Go ahead. If the thing dives down, we'll film it for him.
He's obviously not.
You're missing nothing.
Strawberry pucker. How much?
Ounce each.
Ounce each. 1, 2.
Good. Beautiful. All right. We're going to chase that with some strawberry lemonade to top it off.
Plus.
Get it out of your system.
Okay. I got it out of my system. Plus.
Here we go.
That's pretty.
Shit. Strawberry
Whoa,
pineapple.
That's pretty. That's pretty, guys.
Those 2 orange wedges would look really pretty on that, I think. I don't know. Would they match or would they clash? Match or clash? I hate it when my oranges clash. Seriously pisses me off. Oh, come on.
Whoa,
Cool.
what's going on with yours?
Mine got a little over.
Got a large gap.
Strawberry Pineapple.
Hold on. My
Cocktail.
hair's all. Try this again.
She's a supermodel. My hair flows in the wind too. That's why I wear a hat to keep it under control.
All right.
Cheers, baby. Good Lord, we have made two of the most amazing drinks back to back, seriously.
It's pretty good.
Both of these are Spontooneous originals.
Yeah.
I mean, we came up with these. If you've seen them someplace else, they got them from us. I'm not kidding, man. We just made these up in the kitchen before we came out.
That's right.
Now Teresa's going to close this out.
What?
Go ahead, don't be afraid. Tell the people what you're thinking.
What I'm thinking?
Yeah, seriously, just go ahead.
Well, it's
Today.
it's complicated.
It's
It's a complicated order, but this is a complicated order. But if you want it, you can go to our link in our bio and find our Amazon store.
Want what? The shaker?
Whatever.
Or
Any-
the paddles?
Any of our recommendations.
Or any of our pontoon recommendations,
Our
and we have a
paddle,
lot.
our shacker.
Shaker!
Our paddle.
Get this Stanley Shaker cup. I mean,
Our-
shaker cup.
I'm gonna kick you.
That
I'm
was
gonna,
perfect. Wait, don't
Stanley
forget, you
Cup.
can win the Stanley Cup by playing baseball. I mean, golf. Hockey. I love you,
Did
honey.
you put
That was
vodka in
so
this or
cute.
rum?
I gotta tell you, it was so cute
Did
when you
put
said
vodka
that.
in this or rum?
Rum. Shit, I just caught that.
Okay, we all
all
make
right.
mistakes. We all make mistakes. Apparently, it's the first one I do.
Next time, tuners, check the link thing.
Yeah, and the link in our bio or in the link down below. I will cut.
I'm gonna retire on that one. That's a good one to retire on.
Welcome to our lake. What is it? How's it going?
Did it put it away?
Welcome to our
You don't have to go a while.
Welcome to our lake.
Yeah, we will leave out the
Play
singing
that
maybe.
music.